Okay, in DT and English, we've been learning about making a shaduf, which is an Egyptian water contraption. So, we've been learning about how to make it, generating instructions. Today, I'm going to show you how to build it for our DT lesson. So, what we need to make a shaduf, really simple kit. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wooden sticks. We've got blue tack, or we're going to use clay, which is very similar. We've got string that will already be cut. We've got a lovely yogurt pot that is going to be our bucket. So, instruction 1. We need to make the foundation of our shaduf. So, what you're going to do with your partner, you're going to take 1, 2, 3 wooden sticks. You're going to put that over to the side for now. You are going to put some blue tack on the bottom of your first wooden stick, like that, voila. You are going to put blue tack on your second wooden stick. There we go, like that. We are going to put blue tack on our third wooden stick, like that. There we go. So we've got our first wooden stick, we've got our second wooden stick, we have got our third wooden stick. Right, our second instruction. We're going to take our wooden stick. Remember, we're doing it with our partner. We need all the help. We're going to stick that down like that. We're going to take our second wooden stick and we're going to stick that down like so. And then we're going to take our third wooden stick and we're going to stick it down like so. There we go. Right. Our third instruction, what we're going to do, we're going to, with your partner, it's really important. So we're going to move the sticks and we're going to cross them over like that. I'll repeat because it's really important. I'm going to take them back. Make sure they're nice and firm into the blue tack or clay. And we're going to slowly move them across together like that. So there we go. That is our foundation. Instruction 4. This is a really important one. We're going to take our blue tack. We're going to take a bit of blue tack and we're going to now wrap it round our foundation. So make sure with your partner you've wrapped it round really nicely, really tightly, so all 3 sticks are together. Fantastic. Okay, very good. Instruction 5. We've got our yogurt pot, which is our bucket, and we're going to need our string because we want to attach our bucket to our lever that I'm going to show you how to make in a second. So what we're going to do, your teacher has already put 2 holes in the yogurt pot. So what you've got to do to make it nice and easy to get your string through the yogurt pot, you're going to give it a little rub on the end to make it nice and pointy, and you are going to slip it through like that. There we go, nice and easy. Give it another little rub, and we're going to stick it through like that. Voila, there we go. So we've got our bucket now attached to our string, threaded through. So what we're going to do, instruction 6, we've got another piece of blue tack. We're going to bring our 2 pieces of string together. And again, similar to our foundation, we're going to wrap it round at the top so they are together. So you've got a nice bit of string attached at the top, so it is nice and secure. Right, so instruction 7, we're going to make a nice secure lever. So I'm going to use a bit more of this blue tack, quite a lot. You need quite a lot because it's going to be on the end of the lever. You're going to take your blue tack and you're going to stick it on the end of your lever, like so. So this is our lever, okay. I'm then going to place it on to my foundation and just move it up and down. So that is how our shaduf is going to work. So it can go from low to high, high to low. Fantastic. So importantly, we need to take our new bucket with the string, and then we need to attach with our blue tack, probably a little way in to the lever, our string, give it a big squeeze down, and then we are ready to roll. There we go. I then place my lever onto the foundation, and you know, that's why we've got the blue tack there, to make it stick a little bit, to make it secure. And then with my hand, I can move the lever up and down to make my shaduf work. So there you go.